Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to connect your SDRD Karaoke microphone to your TV. This will let you see the lyrics on a bigger screen and make your karaoke nights even more fun. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the cables you might need. The most common cable is an HDMI cable. Some TVs might also use RCA cables, which are the red, white, and yellow ones. Check the back of your TV in your SDRD microphone system to see which ports you have. Once you know what cables you need, you're ready to connect. One option is to connect directly from the SDRD microphone system to the TV using an HDMI cable. Simply plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI output on your SDRD system. Then, plug the other end into an HDMI input on your TV. Now, turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. You should see the SDRD system's display on your TV screen. Another option involves connecting through an AV receiver. If you have an AV receiver, connect the SDRD system to the receiver using HDMI or RCA cables, depending on the available ports. Then, connect the receiver to the TV. This setup allows for better sound quality and easier switching between different devices. If your SDRD system only has RCA outputs and your TV only has HDMI inputs, you might need an RCA to HDMI converter. Connect the RCA cables from the SDRD system to the converter. Then, connect the converter to the TV using an HDMI cable. Make sure the converter is powered on. Now, let's talk about troubleshooting. If you don't see anything on the TV screen, double-check all your connections. Make sure the cables are securely plugged in. Also, make sure you've selected the correct input on your TV. Try using a different HDMI cable or a different HDMI port on your TV to rule out a faulty cable or port. If you're still having trouble, consult your SDRD microphone system's manual or your TV's manual for more specific instructions. Sometimes, you might need to adjust the resolution settings on your SDRD system to match your TV's resolution. This is usually found in the settings menu of the SDRD system. Experiment with different resolutions until you find one that works best for your TV. Finally, make sure the volume is turned up on both the SDRD system and the TV. And that's it. You've successfully connected your SDRD karaoke microphone to your TV. Now you're ready to sing your heart out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by purchasing affiliated products in the description. It helps me create more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy singing!